Pasta is one of the most popular foods in the world, but the process behind it is more fascinating than you might think. Everything begins with durum wheat, a hard variety of wheat used to make pasta. The wheat is harvested and transported to milling facilities. At the mill, the wheat is cleaned and ground into semolina flour. This coarse golden flour gives pasta its firm texture. Inside the pasta factory, semolina flour is mixed with water. Powerful mixers combine the ingredients into a thick, uniform dough. The dough is then pushed through special metal molds called dies. These molds shape the pasta into familiar forms like spaghetti, penne, or fusilli. Once shaped, the fresh pasta is carefully cut to size. Precision ensures each piece is consistent. Next comes drying. The pasta is slowly dried in temperature-controlled chambers to remove moisture. Drying is one of the most important steps. It strengthens the pasta and allows it to be stored for long periods. After drying, the pasta is cooled and inspected for quality. Only perfectly shaped pieces move forward. Finally, the pasta is weighed, packaged, and prepared for distribution. From wheat fields to factory lines, this process brings pasta to kitchens around the world. That's how pasta is made.